Hey guys, so we have a first look of the upcoming Xperia XZ4, all thanks to reliable tipster on leaks and my smart price. These CAD-based renders showcase final design of the Xperia XZ4. On the front of the phone, there is a large 6.5-inch Oled display with very slim bezels and without any notch. Moving to the back, the XZ4 is going to feature a triple camera setup on the back. This is the first Sony phone we've seen with a triple rear camera setup, so it will be interesting to see how Sony implements the various sensors. It's also noted that the XZ4's dimension will be 166.9 mm in height, 72.4 mm in width and 8.2 mm in thickness. That makes it slightly taller and slightly thinner than the Xperia XZ3. There is no word on processing specs, storage, battery, price or anything else for the time being, but considering that the Xperia XZ4 is a flagship device, it's likely to spot Qualcomm's upcoming 8150 processor and at least 6GB of RAM. Other important points to mention include no headphone jack, which is sad but wholly unsurprising, as well as a shift from curved display on the XZ3 to a conventionally flat display design. A USB Type-C port is used for charging and fingerprint sensor which is mounted on the right side of the device. The device will reportedly be announced at Mobile World Congress 2019, which will be held between February 25th to 28th in Barcelona, Spain. So that is it for this video guys. Let me know what you think about the Sony's upcoming flagship device. Also don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this, and I will see you in my next video.